I want body. My diamond replace they potty. I finna pull up in beds, no addy. No, we don't nobody. 20 bad bitches, they all in the lobby. Getting richer like this is a hobby. Pull up in that talkie, it is a big body, big body, big body. Pull up in that talkie, it is a big body, big body, big body, big body, big body.
Dude, how many fucking cooldowns? I'm fighting for my life. Where is the fucking team? Where is
the Go ahead, chop them up like my bun. Let it go, let it bind. I'm as high as a crane. I be chillin' with the dudes. Off the perk, I can't walk it all, paraplegic. Leaning sideways off the track, on me kick. They don't be high, don't be knowing the meaning. 6 drinking. I took a break from that person that long time. Sadie beach, I need a break, need a long time. I ain't never pull a goddamn loan. The beat turn me on, I'm pulling my bone. Walk inside the bitch, we don't do no scuffing. Making money up the perk, I'm a shuffle. Dig it up and bury back like a shovel. I don't know what's going on in the bubble. I don't know what's going on in the world. Fucking hate the cops, we always in trouble. I don't pay attention to shit, but my gang and my money, and I wanna know about it. I think you gotta take a test in the Tesla. I think you gotta take a crank in the morning. You ain't geeking, boy, your life is a lie. How you know all that shit you aspire? Heard you sneezing, you a bully, you a flag. I just woke up at the talking, alright. I done geeking up, but like I won't lie. I been starting to think I'm losing my mind. But the devil told me everything fine. I just woke up for that bitch in her spine. I don't be doing shit on the online. I just be booting up out of my mind. Cut it up, but then I triple it down. Bitch, I'm a 9, no ain't no line. Hold up, 777. Hold the bitch back like I'm double heaven. Hold up, triple deuces. Hold the bitch up, we got all the juices. Hold up, speed to heaven. Get that by my mama, my demon bandit. Big body G, at least get one body. My diamond replace they potty. I finna pull up in beds, no addy. No, we don't nobody. 20 bad bitches, they all in the lobby. Getting rich like this is a hobby.
We don't have any ults here. He's gonna come back to me. Yep. Oh, Amazon. I just wanted to be a part of the
Say it again for the kids and the daddy. What they wear, say they live with a cut. I was clean it up, yeah, color skirt. I made a cut ties with a buddy. Go ahead, chop them up like my bun. Let it go, let it bind.
Holy shit.